BPB's 2017 NAMM show coverage is sponsored by Plugin Boutique, the place for music plugins.
Okay, hi, I'm Matt from Modal Electronics, and this is our CRAFTsynth. So Craft is a build-it-yourself mono synth. So it comes flat packed, each of these sections slot together, and the electrical connections are made by pushing these header blocks onto the pins, so no soldering. It takes about 10 minutes to put together and anyone can do it. And it's powered either from a battery pack or through USB, and the USB also gives it full USB MIDI class compliant, so you can use your DAW to automate everything, and you can obviously sequence it from there. So running over some of the main features, it's got 2 oscillators which you can mix between, and all the waves you'd expect from sine, triangle, sawtooth, PWM, noise. It's got an LFO with 6 destinations. It's got a morphable resonant filter, delay, distortion. I'll give you an example of how it sounds. We scroll through some sounds here. So at the moment I'm using the app just to go between some of the example sounds. You can store up to 16 presets on Craft itself, and this is our accompanying app currently out on iOS and OS X, which allows you to design your sound through the interface and see what presets you've got saved on your Craft, design new ones, swap them between the synth and the app so you can back everything up. So this form factor allows you to mod the synth if you wanted to give it your own knob caps, or 3D print your own case, for example. And we've labelled all of those electrical pins, so if you wanted to get into hacking it, maybe using some light sensors instead of pots or whatever you want to do, it's there to be fiddled with and made your own. And over here next to our iPad, we've got a demo of a new feature we're going to be implementing into a later release of the app, where we've got 5 CRAFTsynths all plugged into a USB hub, and essentially, because we've got 5 separate synths, each one gives us a voice, and all we need to do to turn this into one big poly synth is allocate the notes to a different voice. So we've got a really rich sounding 5-voice poly just from plugging 5 of these synths in. They're $99 US, £79 in the UK and Europe. So that should give you a nice overview of the synth. There's also, just to show you quickly, another preset on here, a multi-timbrel preset. So the last one was 5 of the same voices, giving us poly mode. In this mode we've got one Craft being a kick drum, one Craft being a bass line, and then these 3 acting as a 3-voice poly on the upper octaves. So it really is super versatile. You can make it your own, both from modding it, from deciding how you want it to interact with your keyboard. All the MIDI stuff's assignable and routable. Yeah, so that's CRAFTsynth basically. It's the start of a range, the Craft range, so watch this space, see what comes out. We hope you have as much fun using it as we do making it. Cheers.